back to Run Ram Run. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for some really interesting videos, and also do check out my Instagram page for some interesting content. In today's video, we would be checking out the top 3 best shawarmas in Hyderabad. Though shawarma is a famous dish in the Middle Eastern countries, in Hyderabad as well, it is very famous. So join along with us to know the best 3 shawarmas in Hyderabad. So for those who don't know what shawarma is, don't worry much. Join along with us to know what shawarma is, how it looks and how it tastes. So guys, we are at French Shawarma. This place is near Nagarjuna Circle. It's a small place, but you need not worry, you'll find it on Google Maps because it's exponentially famous place. Right from our college times, we have been trying out the shawarma at this place and it has always been our favorite. Let's see if the taste still remains the same. Since we have to try 3 different places out, we have planned to split this into halves, and Nikhil is having one half and I'm having one. It's a Kubus chicken shawarma that we are trying, and most importantly, we love without the salads. So let's give it a shot. Lot of mayo in there. Like the last time, the chicken that has been sliced is much roasted and spicy as well. That's adding a really good flavor in here. So that's the menu right behind me, what all you get. Unlike the last time, it's not just shawarma, there is rice, there is chili chicken and starters as well. We never tried all the 3 shawarmas from different places on the same day. So I wouldn't rate this shawarma right away today until I try the other 2 as well out. But one more useful information that I have for you is that they accept both Google Pay as well as cash, but unfortunately they don't accept cards here. So guys, we are finally at Grill 9. This is our second destination to try out shawarmas here. Just like Friends, we are going to try the chicken shawarma special here. One thing I want to say about this place is that unlike the place Friends, this has like good parking space. This is located at Thirumalgiri, right in the center of a main road, and we have been eating these shawarmas also right from our college times. They've got an interesting menu, but we have planned to compare all these shawarmas on equal grounds. So we're going to go ahead and order the same chicken shawarma special to see which one tastes better so far. So in the menu here, they have something called chicken zinger shawarma, chicken and cheese shawarma, and their special chicken supreme shawarma, where they just don't use the shawarma from the shack, but also they use chicken zinger as well as chicken 65. Probably we should try this thing out as well. But for now, we are just sticking to chicken shawarma special like I told. But they have some seriously different varieties of shawarmas here. Went for a 1x2, and you know the reason, because we want to keep our stomachs emptied until we try out all the 3. Let's go ahead. For some reason, today this shawarma tastes better than the French shawarma because the chicken today here is much juicier than the one that we had there. For some reason the one at French was a little dry. This is much juicier and I like this over French so far. Now let me actually tell you an interesting story about the third place that we have chosen for shawarma. Firstly, we tried in the French shawarma and then Grill 9. Third place, we were a bit confused. We had two options in our mind. First one was Mohammed Shawarma in Mehdipatnam and also Shawarma Corner in Banjara Hills. Firstly, we opted and chose Mohammed Shawarma and we went to Mehdipatnam. We were not actually impressed by the hygiene there. And what was more taunting was when we asked them to actually, generally when we go, we take permission for taking videos there. That's how we do it. So when we asked for the permission, that guy was like, the place doesn't look currently so hygienic and for making a video, we would expect you to come some other day so that we maintain the hygiene much better for it looking better in the videos. So that was something fishy for me and then we chose Shawarma Corner. And guess what? We are really glad that we chose Shawarma Corner because the place is so amazingly hygienic and most importantly, the pricing is surprisingly less. Ordered for a spicy shawarma that's without salads, and the crazier part is we ensured that he adds jalapenos in that. It's a surprising idea to add jalapenos because jalapenos is generally not a Arabian vegetable that's usually added to their dishes. So let's give it a shot. The packing looks really good, not as easy as it was in the previous shawarmas to open it up. While I open, I also want to add one more point. Apart from the excellent hygiene that they are maintaining and also the pricing, they've got really decent parking space, making it a very convenient space to access. Nikhil, you should try this.
Okay.
The best part is the jalapenos in this. Apart from the spicy and the mayonnaise taste in this, the jalapenos have added a tangy flavor to it, which makes it much more different than the other two that we have tried. Though it is not the authentic flavor that we get, but I really love this. I think I would rate this as my favorite of the three. For the taste is amazing because of the jalapenos. Number two, the hygiene. And with this kind of hygiene, this makes it the right place to access during the COVID times. And three, the pricing. So guys, did you recognize him? That's Nikhil, the guy who had that long mane previously. He's looking much cool now, right? Okay Nikhil, so we have tried 3 different places of shawarma. Which according to you is your favorite and the best?
Undoubtedly, Shawarma Corner is the best.
Undoubtedly? Why?
Yes, so when we rate a restaurant, we not only look at the taste of the food, but we also look at the ambience, how they maintain the place, how they maintain the kitchen, the ease of convenience, do they have parking, because all these come under rating a restaurant. Also the mode of payments available, because that plays a major role now. So with all these considerations in place, this restaurant tops in all of them. They have very good parking, they accept all modes of payment. And you have seen the kitchen and you have seen the place.
Did you just hear all that out? Man, this guy has some huge list of parameters why he chooses a place as the best. So it's not easy to convince him. Once he rates it as the best, I think this is actually the best shawarma place that we have ever tried out. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe.